Welcome. If you want to enable and disable NFC in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to open the settings. You can make it by using this notification panel, and next you have to go for the connected devices. Right now you have to select connection preferences, and as you can see, NFC we can find in this place. Oh sorry, that was my misclick. So as you can see, here it is, and when I tap on it once, we have to tap on this icon again, and there it is. And of course the NFC model is marked in this place. You got the preview, how to correctly put your phone to the contactless payments, and that's all. You can also turn it off by tapping on the switcher again. So you can decide what you want to get, and here you can for sure adjust the default payment method. So in my case, I just set up the Google Pay. You can also set your bank application. You can use the default. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.